Yo, here we go. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I made this oxtail, smoked, braised, delicious. Let's go. First up, oxtail. Clean, rinsed, ready to go. Pick a seasoning of choice. Today we're gonna start out with Meat Church's Holy Cow. It's really good stuff on any type of beef or steak. Get it all seasoned up. Gotta make sure we get all sides when doing our seasoning, get it all covered up, ready to go. All right, today we're gonna be smoking with smoking pecan pellets. Get that flavor into the oxtail. And then we're also gonna be mixing those with char pellets from Royal Oak. So should be good, pretty good with pretty good flavor. Stay locked into the full video. We're gonna get these mixed up, put into the pellet grill, get it fired up, and get those oxtail on. Okay, now we're gonna get the grill fired up, get it up to temp. We're shooting for a starting out temp at about 250 and get that smoke rolling. Look at that smoke. All right, we're coming out here. I like to get these on the top rack. That way you can get some smoke, but then also I'll put the pan up under it to collect those juices, which we'll use later. All right, we're back at it. Check it out, see where we're at now. Oh yeah, look at that color on there, man. It's looking really, really good. Okay, here we go. This is about at the 4-hour mark. Smoking about 4 hours. A lot of color there, a lot of smoke into it. Smelled really, really good at this moment here. So just checking them out. Getting spritz here.
A few moments later.
All right, here we are coming back out. We're actually gonna take them off here and take it to the next step. Look at the color on this. Look really, really good. Smell great. Okay, now we got them off the smoker. We're gonna come in with is some braising liquid. We're gonna braise it with beef broth. Coming with some rosemary and also some garlic. Then we'll cover this up, put it back out on the smoker for a few hours. While my oxtail was braising, I decided to make some white cheddar mashed potatoes to accompany the oxtail. So right here, just getting everything all diced up, ready to go to be boiled. From there, we put our diced potatoes in some chicken stock, boiled to the fork tender. Once the potatoes were done, put them back in the pot, get them mashed up. To the mashed up potatoes, we added butter. We're gonna add some heavy cream. Get that mixed up. To that, we added black pepper. We added some garlic powder and also salt. Once we got that all mixed in, we came back with some white cheddar cheese. We'll get that all mixed in and incorporated, and it's ready to go. Been braising for 2.5 hours. You guys see that? Delicious. These turned out really good. Now time for the money shot. Try this out. It's good.